This is the fifth lesson of the Mathematics Tricks and Fun tutorial. I am Dr Prema B Sejekan. In this, we are going to study the squaring of 3s, 6s and using the special code. Square of 99 is 9801 and square of 999 is 998001. Same principle, one more, one less, is used in the multiplication of 444 multiplied by 999, and when numbers are in excess on one side, either 9 or the number is in extra, the 9 will come in the middle. Like here, when 4 is extra, the answer is 4439556. What is the square of 66? Another question. What is the square of 666? How quickly can we do this? First, we will take 1 6 each from unit position of both sides. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So, we will insert 3 on the unit position of the multiplicand side and 6 on the unit position of the multiplier side. Then, one more, one less code we will apply. 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 less than 6 is 5. Then the answer is 4356. In the second question, there are 6 digits. So, calculating as taught earlier, the answer is 443556. When 1 6 is in extra on one side, like 666 multiplied by 66, the answer is 43956. If we follow the method and use the code, we can square however long the number with 6s we get. Here is an example. The square of 66,666. Answer is 4444. 4 4s 3, 4 5s 6. $333 is multiplied by 999. The answer is 332667. The same code we will apply in the squaring of 3s. 3333 square. Here, first we will take 3 multiplied by 3. Answer is 0. 9 we will write since 2 digits are involved. 0 on the unit position of the multiplicand side and 9 on the unit position multiplier side. The answer is 110 310 38888 9. 333 multiplied by 33,333. The answer is 110,99889. When 33 is multiplied by 33, the answer is 1089. When 33,333 is multiplied by 33, here there are 3 3's extra. Answer is 1099989. These are for practice. Square of 99 is 9801. 22 multiplied by 99 is 2178. 33 multiplied by 99 is 3267. 77 multiplied by 99, 7623, and so on. In the coming classes, we'll study squaring of 2s, 4s, 5s, 7, 8s, etc. Thank you for watching.